How to make salmon and asparagus on the Nuwave 1 Top Pro. Begin by first preheating a compatible piece of cookware on the unit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, prepare your salmon by adding salt, pepper, and oil on both sides of the salmon. When the pan is hot, add oil into it. Then, gently place the salmon skin side down in the pan and sear for 4 minutes. Then sear each of the other sides for 2 minutes. When the searing is done, set the salmon aside on a plate. Next, add the asparagus. Then, mix in some butter until it's melted. Cover the pan as the asparagus cooks for about a minute. Once the asparagus is tender and crisp, season them with salt and pepper. Next, place the salmon back on top of the asparagus and cover the pan for a few minutes. When the cook is finished, squeeze some lemon juice over the whole pan. Transfer the salmon and asparagus onto a plate, and then top the dish off with a lemon wedge. The salmon and asparagus is now ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.